back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Celine and welcome. So I am back and I am ready for a challenge. So this challenge I'm going to be doing is called My Family Distracts Me While I'm Doing a Makeup Tutorial. I'm not quite sure if anyone has done this video, so anyone can leave the credits down below to who did this. Not quite sure. I'm just making this up myself. And the whole point of this video is my family is going to put weird things in the camera. I don't even know what they're gonna do, so it's kind of a surprise. So I'm a little bit scared, but it's gonna be fun. So I'm going to try to keep a straight face. I can't even do this without laughing. Yeah, this is gonna be a fail. Whatever. And before I start this video, give it a like and subscribe down below to see more videos from me, and continue watching to see this makeup tutorial. First, I'm going to start off with eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using the Element of Surprise by ColourPop. This is the one that I got in the BoxyCharm. So I'm going to be using this today, and I'm going to use this shade right here. And applying that all over my lid, ignoring the obnoxious whistling sounds in the background that I definitely did not hear at all. Try again. Wow, this color is really pigmented. I think I'm going to go for more of like a simple neutral look today. Nothing too crazy, because I always do crazy, so we're going to tone it down a little bit. Okay, what in the world is in my face? So we have a skeleton, and he's adding a little bit of funk into this video. Yeah, so he decided to join the makeup tutorial because yay, he thinks it's quite fun. So I'm gonna do his makeup now. No, I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna do his makeup. Okay, Rodney, you can go now. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking this color right here, and oh, we're gonna have a disco party. So we're just gonna apply that in the dark, and we're going to, ooh, wow, this color is looking nice. Look at this. Wow, these are so pigmented. Holy. And this brush, also from the BoxyCharm. And what in the world of Jesus just happened? So we're gonna put the eyeshadow on the eyelid, and I can't breathe. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Yeah, okay. So that was cool. Okay, and the last color I'm going to take is this sparkly one, and I'm going to apply that in the inner corner.
Becky, look at her butt. It is so big.
Okay, this I cannot deal with.
Who understands those friends? I mean, her butt is just so big.
Serious?
Okay. It's just so round.
I'm sorry, but look in the mirror. Look in the mirror.
She's just so...
Okay, so next we're going to be taking the Maybelline Age Rewind, and this is in the color Pale Light. Okay, so I didn't see what she was trying to do there, but apparently there was an ad, so kind of ruined it. But here we go. We're going to be putting this all over my face, and we're getting some sunshine in here because it's a little too dark. Yeah, guys, when skies are gray, always look to the sunshine. That made no sense, because if the sky's gray, where's the sunshine? Nowhere. It's in my mom's hand. That's where the sunshine is. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just applying it just absolutely insane. Like, you know how those people on Instagram doing like dots all over their face? I'm just like, hi. And now we're going to be taking this beautiful, amazing beauty blender by Morphe and, you know, doing this. What is going on here? So we're in a circus. It makes sense because I look crazy. So, good timing. Yay, I won a giveaway. I'm gonna go to the fair. Bye. Okay, now that I look pale. Okay, we're in the lunch cafeteria now, and I'm getting spitballs thrown on my face. Oh my Lord Jesus, I'm going to lose an eyeball. Anyway, back to this lovely lady right here. And we're getting it in my shirt. Okay. Okay. So, you guys on Instagram, I'm scared I'm gonna get hit in the face. So this product right here, I had put on my Instagram, and you guys said you wanted me to do a review. Well, some of you did. So, I'm going to show you guys right now. Yes, I have used it. I don't know if, yeah, you can see it. I have used it, and it is amazing. But here you go. I think it was like $8. I'm not even quite sure what it was. There's something flying down. I don't know what it is. Oh my god. Oh my god, girl. What? Who is that? Guys, what in the world possessed this woman to put a picture of me crying in here? Because I is not a crybaby. I don't cry. I don't cry. I cry if I don't get food, but that's about it. Okay, now I'm just going to put on some highlighter. And we're just going to, yeah, oh, this feels good. Okay, we're going to put some highlighter on to make my face look a little alive. This is Anastasia highlighter right here. And we're gone. And we're back. And we're gone. And we're back. And we're gone. And we're now have left the premises to see this beautiful thing right here. Hello! There's hair flying around my room. The hair has fallen. The weave has fallen. The weave what the heck is this? Oh my god. Oh. Okay, so I didn't do my bottom lash line eyeshadow. So we're gonna be taking this color, yeah. I'm getting strangled by Christmas lights. We're just gonna remove that. Okay, so now for some mascara, I'm using the Double Decker Lashes by Butter? I don't know. But let's just go on this one. Oh, not this one again. Okay. I swear to God, this thing messes my mascara up. Okay, so this hasn't turned out too bad. So the last thing that I have here is lipstick, and this is by MAC. What does this even mean? What does it even mean? So we're just gonna, what? No, this does not go at all with the, look into my eyes. You are getting sleepy. Okay, so I changed lipsticks. I'm gonna use the Kylie Jenner gloss in the color Literally, because that did not look cute at all. Oh my god. It is under my lip, and I literally cannot breathe for a second. Cut. Okay. Cut. 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 Okay guys, so that is it for the video. So the point of this was practically So anyway, we had a little dance break, but the point of it was that you could still slay when people are in your face and ruining your makeup tutorial. So that was it. Thank you for watching, and give it a like if you liked it. Oh my god. I almost just got killed. But anyway, give it a like for almost getting killed. Bye.